How to use RTI Act to get your birth reconstruction file for your Portuguese passport. Did your birth or your parents' birth have to be reconstructed in Goa? But now the Sub-Registrar Office is refusing to hand over the file to you. If yes, and if you don't watch this video, your Portuguese nationality process could come to a sudden halt. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the RTI to get your birth reconstruction file from the Sub-Registrar Office in Goa legally. So if your process is stuck because the Sub-Registrar Office won't hand over your documents, stay with me because you'll learn what is an RTI, how it can be applied specifically to birth reconstruction cases in Goa, the exact steps to file an RTI correctly, even if this is your first time, and what to do if your RTI gets denied or delayed. In fact, I had a client, let's call him Antonio, who thought he was almost done with the whole Portuguese passport process. His father's birth had been reconstructed in Goa, the order had been passed, and the birth certificate had been issued, and everything looked good to go. But when he asked the sub-registrar's office for the full file, the one that includes all the supporting documents that were used to reconstruct the file, they refused. They told him, in fact, you don't need that. But here's the problem. Portugal requires it all. And without that file, his nationality process would have hit a wall. No progress, just silence. So that's when we decided to use the RTI. And once we follow the exact steps I'm going to share with you in this video, he got his file within the next 30 days and then he was finally able to move forward with his process for his Portuguese passport. So let's break this down for you. So what is an RTI and why it works? So RTI stands for Right to Information Act, which started in 2005. Now, as an Indian citizen, you have a legal right to request information from any public authority, including the Sub-Registrar Office in Goa. You don't need to give a reason because the law is on your side. And in Goa, this can be useful for accessing your reconstructed birth files, which are often blocked without any legal basis. What exactly is a birth reconstruction file? So when reconstructing your birth, it's not just the birth certificate. The full file includes the request letter, affidavit, witness statements, approvals, and any form or any other supporting documents that were submitted during your process. So Portugal needs to see all of this, not just the final birth certificate or the final work order. So if you only have the reconstructed birth certificate, your file unfortunately is incomplete. Why the Sub-Registrar Office often refuses to share it? Well, these are the excuses people hear all the time. It's confidential. You only need the certificate. The only person who applied can collect it. But none of these hold under the RTI. They cannot deny access when a legal RTI request is filed correctly. Now that's the important term, correctly. So how do you file the RTI request? Here's the step-by-step process of how to go about it. So here's what you do. First, draft your RTI application. Be clear, be polite, and specific about what you're requesting for. Address it to the Public Information Officer or the PIO at the Sub-Registrar Office where the file was created. Attach a copy of your ID like your birth certificate, that's the reconstructed birth certificate, or your Aadhaar card. Pay the 10 rupee application fee, which you can pay either by cash, demand draft, or the Indian postal order. Submit the RTI either in person or through registered post. In fact, if you have a downloadable RTI template, even better. That will save you a lot of time in drafting the application. Now, what happens after you submit the RTI? So, once you've submitted the RTI, the Sub-Registrar Office has 30 days to respond. Now, here, there are three possibilities that could happen. Number one, they approve and hand over the file to you. Number two, they stall and delay. And number three, they deny access outright. Now, if they delay or deny access, don't stop. Keep going. So, what do you do if they reject or delay your request? You have the right to appeal. File your first appeal within 30 days. This goes to the first appellate authority. Now, if that doesn't work, file a second appeal with the Goa State Information Commission. In fact, a lot of people get access to their files at this stage, but it works only if you follow through. And here are some quick tips for success. Always be respectful and professional in your tone and in your communication. Keep copies of everything you send. Follow up if you don't get a response within 30 days. And if you succeed, share your story. It could help someone else in your community. So once you've submitted the RTI and you received your complete birth reconstruction file, congratulations. That's a huge step. But don't just stop there. Portugal won't accept your file unless it's been verified also. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to verify your birth registration step by step. See you in the next one.